One of my favorite tools that I use to work through some of life's greatest challenges is journaling. Now, I have this leather-bound journal, and it actually stores a couple of journals for me. I have a couple different, they're just small-sized journals, one for personal, one for business, and I have all kinds of different ways of journaling. Of course, brainstorming and list making is a great way to journal, but also I love to free write and just let whatever comes come and trust that it needs to be expressed. Sometimes I want to process things, and I will literally pose questions to myself and consider what shows up or explore possibilities. I might make lists of pros and cons, things like that. But one of my favorite journaling techniques that I absolutely love is what I call dialogue. And this is where, if I get triggered by something, if I'm feeling overly emotional about something, something that's just really kind of keeping me stuck or getting in the way, I might tap into asking, okay, what part of me is feeling that way? Is there something within me that is kind of gripping to that feeling or that expression? And I might give it a name, or I might simply just let it be what it is, and I will ask it questions. I will have a dialogue with it within my journal. So that might mean I would say, what is this feeling that you're having? And then I'll just free write and trust the answer. And then, from that answer, inevitably new questions show up as well. And so I might say, is there a fear behind what you're feeling? Or what do you mean by that? Or, the questions will come naturally, but the idea is to trust that you can write and dialogue with these inner parts of yourself. And maybe you're going to dialogue with an archetype, maybe the inner queen or the inner lover or the inner fool who wants to be flexible and playful and have fun. You could have dialogues with these aspects of your being. And dialogue journaling is such a powerful way to get to know yourself better, to recognize the parts of yourself that maybe have fragmented through trauma, through challenges, or maybe aren't being recognized in your life. And often there's tremendous wisdom there when we are willing to tap into those parts of ourselves that we've forgotten about, haven't paid attention to, or simply are longing to be heard.